G'day beer lovers. People have been nagging me to put up a video about where I am these days. You know, after I sold my building in Woodvale, got demolished, I put up a video about the demolition of my old building. What happened to me? Well, I purchased another building. I used some of the money I got from the old building and I purchased a factory unit. Okay, so I'm in this complex here. It's called the Inspiration Business Park. So now I'm in the suburb of Wangara, which is the neighbouring suburb to Woodvale. So what I found is, I've moved here, I've been here for 12 months now, and my clients have followed me. It's not like I've lost my clients, I've actually gained clients, gained quite a few business clients, because the area where I'm in now, Wangara, it's all commercial. There's no houses, it's all just factories, factory units, showrooms, just pure commercial. And you know, for an accountant that just starts out, it's not the best place, because the best place to be is in a shopping centre or near a shopping centre complex, which is where I was before. With the industrial areas, very hard to get going, but you know, I'm bringing my client base here, so it hasn't affected me at all. So this complex I'm in, the Inspiration Business Park, there's 50 factory units here. Yeah, each one has an office and a warehouse or a workshop. My unit is 200 square metres and the office area is double story, and I operate my accounting business from the top floor, and I'm leasing out the workshop area. Yeah, just there's another business in this complex that needed some extra space, so I'm getting a bit of passive income by renting out the warehouse. And I'll show you around my workshop, okay, and I'll show you the office that I'm operating in, and I like it here. Now, I also want to talk about Wangara, this area here. Now, it's weird. All the streets have similar names. I'll show you some of the street signs. And you know, when you say where you are, people don't really know, because all the names are just so similar. You know, they're all business motivational names. Okay, and then every street has a lunch bar. Every street has a lunch bar. And I have picked up a lunch bar client. And I can tell you what, there's no money in it. So if you think you want to buy a lunch bar business, do a due diligence before you purchase the business. Yeah, and most of them are operated by Asians. Yeah, there's not many Australians operating these lunch bar businesses. I think it's because they're very marginal businesses. You can't really pay proper wages. Yeah, I'll show you some of these lunch bars that are in my immediate area. To get into my office, I've got to climb a very steep set of stairs. Yes, I've got to go up and down these stairs several times a day. Yes, and it does, it took a lot out of me initially, but it is over time strengthening my leg muscles. Some of my clients complain. Be interesting to see whether they come back this year. I still operate my hobby business, that's Bioflow magnetherapy products. Yes, it's quite a good little hobby. I sell 75% of the products on my eBay shop. Yeah, look me up, Magnetherapy Australia. And I prefer that because I like to keep people away from the actual shop itself. I'd rather just people buy them online from eBay and I just post them out. But I still get 25% of people that just turn up. Word's getting out that you can get your Bioflows from my shop because it's very hard to find Bioflow shops these days. There's only one or two of us left in all of Australia. As you are about to see, many owners of these factory units have very big, impressive toys. My factory unit, there is a parking dispute, and you can see here that unit 20 has 4 bays allocated to it. Now, a few weeks ago, someone parked a crapped out 4-wheel drive in his bay here. You can see it's got a flat tyre there. Now, the owner of unit 20 is so pissed off that someone has parked in his bay without permission that he's parked his boat trailer in the remaining 3 bays here, just to stop anyone else parking in his bay. You can see where he's added a notice onto the windscreen there, telling whoever owns that vehicle to remove his vehicle. But that vehicle's been there for about 2 weeks now,